AMOLED OS Android v8.0 Oreo. UINA. Dimensions 147.6 by 68.7 by 8.4 mm. Weight NA. SIM hybrid dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Colors black. Android v8.0 Oreo. MIUI 9. NA. Dual SIM, dual standby, nano SIM. Frequency 2G band SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. 3G band SPA 850, 900, 1700 AWS, 1900, 2100. 4G band LTE. SIM 1, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SIM 2, GSM 850, 900, 1800, 1900. SPA 800, 850, 900, 1700 AWS, 1800, 1900, 2100. LTE band 1 2100, 2 1900, 3 1800, 4 1700 2100, 5 850, 7 2600, 8 900, 12 700. Processor CPU Octa-Core, 4x2. 9 GHz plus 4x1.9 GHz Cortex-A55. Chipset Exynos 9810 Octa. GPU Mali G72MP18. Octa-Core Cryo 385, 4x2.8 GHz Cortex-A75 plus 4x1.8 GHz Cortex-A55. Qualcomm MSM8998 Snapdragon 845. Adreno 630. Display technology Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors, multi-touch. Size 5.8 inches. Resolution 1440 by 2960 pixels, ~568 ppi. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Extra features 3D touch, home button only, always on display. AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. 6.0 inches. 1080 by 2160 pixels, ~403 ppi. Corning Gorilla Glass 4. Memory built-in 64GB built-in, 4GB RAM. Card microSD card, supports up to 256GB, uses SIM2 slot. SMS. 256GB built-in, 8GB RAM. No. Camera main 12MP, f/1.5, 26mm, f/.5. Features phase detection, OIS, geotagging, simultaneous 4K video and 9MP image recording, touch focus, face, smile detection, auto HDR, panorama, video, 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 60 fps, HDR, dual video rec. Front 8MP, f/1.6, autofocus, 1440p, dual video call, auto HDR. Dual 12MP, f/2.0, f/.9. Phase detection, 4-axis OIS, geotagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, panorama, video, 2160p at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps, 720p at 120 fps. 8MP, f/2.0, 1080p. Connectivity LAN Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/nac, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. Bluetooth 5.0, A2DP, LA, aptX. GPS Yes plus A GPS support and GLONASS, BDS, Galileo. USB 3.1, Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. NFC Yes. Data GPRS, Edge, 3G, HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps, 4G, LTE-A, 6Ka, Cat 18 1200 200 Mbps. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band, Wi-Fi Direct, hotspot. V5.0 with A2DP, LA. Yes plus A GPS support and GLONASS, BDS. Type-C 1.0 reversible connector. Yes. GPRS, Edge, 3G HSPA, 4G LTE. Features sensors: accelerometer, gyro, proximity, heart rate, fingerprint. Audio 3.5mm audio jack, MP4/DivX/SVID/H.265 player, MP3/WAV/EAC+/FLAT player, speakerphone. Browser HTML5. Messaging SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, Games built-in plus downloadable. Torch Yes. Extra active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, Samsung DeX, desktop experience support, Qi wireless charging, AANT plus support, Bixby natural language commands and dictation, IP68 certified, dust, waterproof over 1.5 meter and 30 minutes, Samsung Pay, Visa, MasterCard certified, front, back glass plus Gorilla Glass 5, aluminum frame. Accelerometer, gyro, compass, proximity, barometer, fingerprint. 3.5mm to USB-C headphone adapter including SVID MP4/H.265 player, MP3/WAV/EAC+/FLAT player, speakerphone. HTML5. SMS threaded view, MMS, email, push mail, built-in plus downloadable. Yes. Active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, photo, video editor, document viewer. Battery capacity, Li-ion non-removable, 3000 mAh. Talk time. Fast battery charging, Qi wireless charging. Li-ion non-removable removable 3400 mAh. Fast battery charging 9V/2A, quick charge 3.0.